So this is our latest conversion. It's a Toyota HiAce short wheelbase, 2.4 diesel, and it's got 98,000 miles. We'll start with the inside. Start at the back. It's got a lift door, which I like, as you're able to stand under there or cook under there if it's raining. See, two little twists on each side, and then that allows the door to raise a lot higher. So we've got the cooking unit over here, the kitchen unit. Got the dual hob there, the fire extinguisher chopping board behind it. Got a drawer here as well, just underneath. That's just got some spare fuses and bits and bobs in at the moment. So underneath the kitchen unit, you slide these along. We've got the gas. It's in a gas safe locker here. There's a camping gas 907. There's quite a bit of space down beside it as well. The table is just a fold-out table right next to it. It's got this little latch under. And under the sink we've got a 25 litre water container, which has got an electric pump in, which feeds the tap. And that just drains straight out the bottom of the van. So we go into the side of the van. Got the step up just here. There's carpet on there to clean your feet as you come in. Little rack there. So on the top we've got our carbon monoxide and smoke alarm, and a little shelf below that, which is recessed so you can keep things in. Probably not where you're moving, but once you stopped. So underneath we've got a cooler, which is run mostly off the van's 12-volt battery. Can be used on the leisure battery system, but probably advise against it. It just drains the battery quite quick, so normally handy to plug it into the electric hookup when you're at a campsite, or if you do have it plugged into the leisure battery, you're probably going to get about sort of 9-10 hours of constant power, so it does drain the battery relatively quickly. So this is just a quick USB, so you don't have to turn the inverter on to get power, and it tells you roughly your sort of battery percentage there as well. And it's also got a 12 volt for connecting to the leisure battery. So the light switches are just behind the cushions there, and they control all of the lights. So under the bed here we've got two storage cases, and this is a latch, and there's another latch on the other side which keeps the bed in place while you're driving along, and those sort of lock each other in and sort of keep it nice and secure. And to take the bed out, you just pull it straight, and then it fully extends. You simply just slide that one over, and the other one will be smushed into place. And the bed is just over 4 foot wide and 6'3" long. Got an opening window on the side, which I've got the curtains for, and the same type of style of curtain along the front, which runs along the ridge. There's a lock on the back door as well, and you can also open it from inside. we've got the electrics back here. We've got the 120 amp hour battery, charge controller, inverter, and then from the inverter we've got this extension up here, so you can press this little remote button while you're inside, and then you can use your USBs and your 240 off the inverter. So as we go into the front, we've got storage up the top here. We've got electric windows, comes with the Bluetooth dongle, and we've got some storage there, and on the other side some drinks holders as well. It's a 5-speed manual, and it's a 2.4 diesel. And we just start it up. You see the miles down there, 98,000. And I did forget to mention as well that the van did have its cam belt done at 95,000 miles.